Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri ma'am. Let's solve one question from Maharashtra Set Examination 2018. The question is related to biosynthetic pathways of amino acids. Biosynthetic pathway of which of the following amino acids is similar to purine biosynthesis? The options are proline, tryptophan, histidine or leucine. So let's see what must be the answer. When we see the biosynthesis of amino acid, we observe that all 20 amino acids are synthesized from the metabolic intermediates. They have their unique pathways for their synthesis, but are synthesized from the metabolic intermediates. Here, from the glycolysis, from the citric acid cycle intermediates, or the amino acids can get derived from the intermediates of the pentose phosphate pathway. So here the precursor molecules or the carbon sources which are used for the synthesis of amino acids are glycerate 3-phosphate, pyruvate, ribose 5-phosphate, oxaloacetate, alpha ketoglutarate, phosphoenol pyruvate, or it may be a erythrose 4-phosphate. So one of these can be used as a carbon source for the synthesis of different amino acids. So according to the carbon sources, the 20 amino acids are divided into 6 biosynthetic families. So these families are glutamate family, serine family, aspartate family, pyruvate family, aromatic family, and histidine. When we see according to the options, here proline is derived from the glutamate family, pyruvate family includes leucine, aromatic family is there for tryptophan, and histidine is having its own biosynthetic pathway. In this glutamate family, along with proline, glutamate, glutamine and arginine, these are the amino acids which are synthesized from the alpha ketoglutarate. In case of serine family, the carbon skeleton is glycerate 3-phosphate and the amino acids formed are serine, glycine and cysteine. Now in case of aspartate family, the carbon source is a oxaloacetate and the amino acids synthesized are aspartate, asparagine, lysine, methionine and threonine. In case of pyruvate family, the precursor is a pyruvate and the amino acids which are derived are alanine, leucine, isoleucine and valine. Yes, in case of aromatic family, the precursors are phosphoenol pyruvate and erythrose 4-phosphate and the amino acids which are derived from this family are aromatic amino acids, that is tyrosine, tryptophan and phenylalanine. The last one is a histidine and this is a specially there for the histidine. Here this histidine is synthesized from the ribose 5-phosphate. So here this ribose 5-phosphate can lead to the formation of the amino acid histidine. It has many reaction intermediates and it can also lead to the formation of purine. So this is a common precursor or common starting point for the purine and histidine biosynthesis. In between reaction intermediates, in the conversion of these two, there are another common intermediates are also there. So with this, we find the answer for the question as option C, that is histidine. Histidine is the amino acid which is having biosynthetic pathway which is similar to the purine biosynthesis. I hope you like my videos. I request you to please like, share and subscribe for my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.